Billions of dollars spent to protect Filipinos from deadly floods have allegedly disappeared. In the Philippines, crocodiles symbolize greed, and thousands of protesters just used the symbol to call out officials who allegedly stole $2 billion in flood protection funds. The government says it has built over 9,000 flood control projects, but investigations revealed that billions of dollars have been lost through ghost projects and incomplete work. Now, Filipinos in flood-prone areas remain unprotected, and the money meant to save them lies in corrupt pockets.
Dismaya kasi po, ang laki naman pala ng pondo, bakit hindi nagawa ito ng maayos? Tsaka bakit kami yung naiwan?
Protesters flooded Manila streets demanding public, science-backed solutions and leaders who protect people, not profit.
Nandito para na makaisang sa mga tao bayan. At para managot yung mga korupto ito, dapat ikulong at bayaran ng mga tayong bayan.
Read my full story on Context to learn more.